How to log out of Binance application. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you're using the Binance app and want to log out of your account, then first of all, open the Binance application on your Android or iOS and make sure that you're inside the home page. Once you're in, go to the top left corner and tap the menu button. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in this page. Go to the top and tap on your user ID or your account name. On the next page, if you go to the bottom, you'll see a logout button. Before logging out of your account, make sure that you remember your credentials so that you can return back in or sign in. After you tap the logout button, confirm your choice if prompted, and you'll be able to log out of the Binance app. If you're using a shared or public device, always make sure to log out when you're finished. For added security, consider enabling two-factor authentication on your Binance account. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.